Good evening, welcome to Delight Classes. Today, in the section of one word substitution, we are going to study political terms. Political terms, one word substitution में पढ़ने जा रहे हैं हम लोग आज. First of all, a government for the people by the people. A government for the people by the people is known as democracy. Is known as democracy. Next is a government by a king. Government by a king is called monarchy. M-O-N-A-R-C-H-Y, monarchy. A government by few is called oligarchy. O-L-I-G-A-R-C-H-Y, oligarchy. A government by officials is called bureaucracy. Bureaucracy. A government by one man, तो इसको monarchy भी कह सकते हैं. A government by one man, it is autocracy. It is autocracy. A government by rich is called plutocracy. A government by rich is called plutocracy. A government by nobles
Start.
A government by nobles, aristocracy. A government by priests is called hierarchy. General uprising against the government. General uprising against the government का मतलब है जनरली लोगों के द्वारा गवर्नमेंट का विरोध करना. That is called revolt. और आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के द्वारा, आर्म्ड व्यक्तियों के द्वारा अगेंस्ट होना गवर्नमेंट के क्या कहलाता है? रिबेलियन. REBELLION, rebellion. Revolt against a lawful authority. किसी न्यायिक पद के व्यक्ति के खिलाफ रिवोल्ट करना वो कहलाता है म्यूटनी. MUTINY. The right of self government. सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट का अधिकार होना ऑटोनॉमी. ऑटोनॉमी. फिर से एक बार देखते हैं. अ गवर्नमेंट बाय द पीपल फॉर द पीपल इज डेमोक्रेसी. अ गवर्नमेंट बाय अ किंग इज कॉल्ड मोनार्की. अ गवर्नमेंट बाय फ्यू इज कॉल्ड ओलिगार्की. अ गवर्नमेंट बाय ऑफिशियल्स ब्यूरोक्रेसी. A government by one man, autocracy. A government by rich, plutocracy. A government by nobles is aristocracy. Government by priests, hierarchy. General uprising against the government is revolt. Armed rising against the government is rebellion. An armed rising against the government is rebellion. Revolt against a lawful authority का एग्जाम्पल है सिपॉय म्यूटनी 1857 to 1859 के समय जो हुई थी अगेंस्ट दी ब्रिटिश. ये एग्जाम्पल है म्यूटनी का और ये एग्जाम्पल सिपॉय म्यूटनी भी कहा जाता है. The right of self government is called autonomy. Autonomy. So this was the video related to one word substitution of political terms. Now some religious terms. A holy book is called scripture. A holy book is called scripture. Religious intolerance. Religious intolerance is called fanaticism. 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 Worshipping idols is called idolatry. Worshipping idols is called idolatry. The gown worn by priests. प्रीस्ट लोग जो गाउन पहनते हैं उसको बोलते हैं कैसॉक. CASSOCK. The platform in the temple where idols are kept. The platform in the temple where idols are kept is called altar. Altar. The platform from where a priest delivers a speech is called a pulpit. Let us revise. Religious terms. A holy book is called a scripture. Religious intolerance is called fanaticism. Worshipping idols is called idolatry. The gown worn by priest cassock. The platform in the temple where idols are kept is called altar. The platform from where a priest delivers speech is called a pulpit. Thank you. See you again tomorrow. Till then, goodbye, and share, like and subscribe the channel.